I've been everywhere, man, looking for someone who can please me, love me all night long.
And this is the perimeter braid that's gonna be left out. These two are gonna be left out, but I just braided down around my leave out. And these were all hanging down like this. These two are connected, that's why they're kind of fat. All of these are hanging down. So the hair I'm using is New Jelly Curl. And I'm gonna first line up for you guys. So here is one individual. It's cute. And when you separate the curl, and it doesn't feel like it's all tacky and stuff. Looks so great. I was trying to get something that would kind of match my hair texture after you like separate it a lot. So I just separated it 3 times and it looks like that. Still maintains focus. So I'm about to comb through it. I got this tone at the beauty supply thinking about this hair. So you could comb through it before you put it in, but I think that might make putting it in more difficult. I don't know. Against my white shirt, that's what it looks like. Just some regular hair. And the before and after. Hi, this is Amani. And I finished the sewing portion of my hair. I unbraided the leave out. This is what it all sewed in looks like. I have 2 pieces of leave out back here. And yeah, I have this much left in the second pack, which is a lot. And it looked like this when I put it in all over, and I separated it just so that it will be fuller. And this is my hair now after brushing it out. And I think I am gonna cut it. That's what I think I'm gonna do, and I want to show how I do that. So I'm gonna start off by just cutting off some stragglies. Just the stragglies, and it already looks like pretty cool. And that's all I did was cut off stragglies. So this one side, this other side, you see what happens when you cut off stragglies. So I think I'm gonna cut some more, pull it back a little bit, and cut these stragglies. So there we go. This is how much I cut off, about 2 inches. So that's how it looks when you do that. And that's the other side. So I'm just gonna do it in twists. I'm gonna wet it, put some castor oil on it, no grease or anything. And you want it to frizz up a little bit. So I just washed it. That's how long it is. And now I'm gonna tightly twist it. There. So I have 2, 4, 6 twists, and then I have these 2 in the back. Hi! So I'm finished installing and styling this.